We commend the young people and support their clamor for accountability, good governance, and equal access to opportunities and delivery of services. Standing with them, we say no to a culture of impunity, corruption, continuous violence, tribalism, poor services, delivery, especially on essential sectors like health, education, and agriculture. We want to honor all those who lost their lives, the injured, and anyone who have lost their property. We remember all who died during the current protest and convey our deepest condolences to their families and friends. We also pray for quick recovery to all who are injured and stand with all who are mourning at this point in time their lost ones, and even those who lost their property. We are dismayed by the police brutality, arbitrary arrest, and we demand an end to extrajudicial killing and use of excessive force against peaceful protesters. We also call for immediate arrest and prosecution of top officers who issue orders to kill. The rule of law must apply across board.